now we're recording. Did you see the sign? Starting out our Monday morning ride. It's a public holiday today in South Australia. So just seeing where the road takes us today. I've got my yoga mat on my back and just see where we go. I wonder if it was after the fog. Do you keep your brake on going around? Oh, I did it. Very rickety, but I did it. Oh, I should practice, shouldn't I? Let's keep practicing. Oops, sorry. Do you think I should do another UE? You should be able to technically do a UE on this road, shouldn't you? Ah, great. I can't even get grip on the road. Oh, shit. So, hang on. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, just go a bit of cross country. Oh. All right, down we go. Oh, oh my gosh. And it's on my bad side too, my challenging side. Oh, just too frightened to turn the wheel, it's ridiculous. Now I'm really cross country. Oh my God, it can't be this hard. Oh, I'm practicing U-turns and I'm just going really cross country on the gravel. What's your tip? Ah. I think I'm getting a bit close to this thing up here now, aren't I? I should have practiced back there. That's what I need to do, just keep practicing turning on dirt. Way out of my comfort zone. It does come up very fast. Join me for a short yoga practice in the Springmount Conservation Park, and it is absolutely glorious here today. Just going to iron out a few of the nerves that I worked out while riding the bike this morning. So if you're feeling a little bit frayed at the edges and can't quite settle, then this 5-minute practice will be perfect for you. So go and grab a mat and come and join me. You don't have to sit on your knees or on your heels if you don't want to. Sit however you feel, straddled on a bolster, even on a chair for this one if you like. So let's just clasp the hands, pressing the palms out, inhaling, reaching up, draw the shoulder blades down, close the eyes. Let's come into what we call the Ujjayi Pranayama, keeping the back of the throat open. Bringing that nice, deep, long, soft, snoring sound of a breath. Let's stay here for 5 breaths. ready, on your next exhale, lower the arms down. Clasp them back the other way. You would have chosen your favorite. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, settle in. Breathe deeply. Next exhale, lowering back down. Give them a little shake, a little wriggle. Let's just come up onto all fours and then come into just a nice little square position, bringing the left foot forward here, hand on the knee, right hand on the ground. And let's just slightly turn to the left here. Deep breathing. Nice gentle twist for the spine. Close the eyes and settle into the breath. Back down, come back up onto all fours and change sides. Right hand on the right knee. Nice little gentle twist here, only as far as is comfortable. And come back into that Ujjayi breath. Ready, coming out of this position, activate the toes and let's breathe our way into our dog pose. Just pedal the heels down, draw the shoulder blades down the back. Just love this pose. It's almost a whole practice in one pose. It's an inversion, it's a forward bend, it's a balance pose. It works the heart, calms the mind. Just let this pose breathe. Just find your version. Ready, come down, and let's just sink back into child or swan pose and just let the face completely go. Come back into the breath, soften through the heart and that thoracic back in between the shoulder blades. Sigh it all out. ready, inhaling, coming back up. Just finding a comfortable place to sit. Palms up. Take a deep breath in and sigh it all out. Take a few moments to sit with the physical heart. Feel its beat, its rhythm. There is nothing you need to do here, just sit, feel and listen to your heart, to its beat. Let the shoulders come down, breath settle. And just take a few moments to breathe some appreciation into your heart. Thanks. And feel it responding. Feel it fill up. Feel its beat strengthen. Not get faster, but strengthen. Responds to you just paying a little attention to it. And please feel free to stay here for as long as you like, 5 minutes, 15. And I'd just like to thank you for joining us. Joining me on the mat in the Spring Mount Conservation Park. In this beautiful part of the world. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe, and I will see you on our next ride. Thanks. Bye. Whatever's going on.